welcome back to my channel. Everyone knows what happens after Christmas. It's the best time to go shopping. I stopped at Hobby Lobby a few days after Christmas to check what they had left, and I must say, they didn't have much. I wonder if they packed things up to resell next year, or they really did sell a lot of Christmas decor. But anyways, I found some wintry picks and cardboard trees, and I figured I could do something with that. I also did see the very viral green Christmas tree that was originally $400 and currently 70% off. It's always tempting when I see it. I feel like it brings back a lot of nostalgic memories, but I passed for now. Time for crafting. I wanted to use these two cardboard winter trees, and I know I wanted them to be different in case I had them next to each other. I didn't want it to look like just two white trees. So for the first one, I am using the white yarn I had left over from a previous project, also from Hobby Lobby. I hot glued the yarn every so often so I would still have room to stick decor pieces in later. If you are new to seeing my crafting videos and Dollar Tree videos, please subscribe below. It is totally free and helps my channel out a lot as I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I notice as more and more people keep seeing my crafting videos, I get more comments and I love seeing them. I appreciate the support, the constructive criticism, and any ideas you guys give me. So thank you for following my journey, and if you aren't yet, that's okay. Subscribe now and you will see me weekly with new crafting ideas, Dollar Tree content, and maybe eventually we'll get back to cleaning. Okay, now let's get this first tree wrapped up real quick. Now for the decorating. I wanted to take apart these picks to create more decor pieces to add around the tree. I wanted to use the sticks to break up the white yarn and give it more of a tree look with branches and pine cones. You could also add different picks to create a whole new look, or even add twinkling lights, which I ended up doing later on too. For the sticks, I didn't really have to hot glue them down. I just have them poking in between the yarn where I could fit them. But for the pine cones, I did hot glue them to the cardboard / the white yarn that was there. For the next tree, instead of doing the white yarn, I went with a more rustic, simple design, which actually took quite a while. I used this brown cord from the Dollar Tree and Mod Podge to help it stick to the cardboard. Again, this took quite a while to do, so let's speed this up till the decorating part. Okay, now for the decorating. I again just added the pine cones, and for the sticks, I couldn't get it under the brown cord because it was glued down already, so I just stuck them around the pine cones for added effect and to break up the textures of just seeing the brown cord. I would love to know how you would have decorated these trees, or would they not have even been trees for you? Please leave your ideas in the comments below. When crafting, everyone has their own ideas and what they think of when they see a blank canvas. It really is up to your imagination. That is it for this week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week for more crafting.